Pondered on the possibility of growing your very own banana plant at home? Well, it's not as far-fetched as it might sound. Today, we unravel the fascinating journey from a tiny banana seed to a flourishing banana plant right in your backyard, or even in a pot inside your home. The first step to growing bananas at home is acquiring a banana plant or a banana sucker. You can obtain these from a local nursery or even online. Remember, bananas thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil, so be mindful of that while choosing a spot for your plant. Once you have your plant or sucker ready, dig a hole that's deep and wide enough to accommodate it. After placing the plant in the hole, fill it up with a mix of soil and compost. This blend ensures the plant receives all the nutrients it needs to grow healthy and strong. Next, water the newly planted banana plant thoroughly. Bananas are tropical plants and they love water. However, avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Banana plants need plenty of sunlight to grow. A location that receives 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day is ideal. If you're growing your banana plant indoors, place it near a window where it can get ample sunlight. Feed your banana plant regularly with a high-potassium fertilizer. This is crucial as bananas are heavy feeders and need lots of nutrients to produce fruit. Remember though, moderation is key. Over-fertilizing can do more harm than good. Now, patience is the name of the game as you wait for your banana plant to grow and eventually bear fruit. It might take anywhere from 9 to 12 months for the plant to produce its first bunch of bananas. Once the bananas are ripe, they can be harvested by cutting the bunch off the plant. But don't fret, your banana plant will continue to produce new suckers, which can be replanted to yield more banana plants. To summarize, growing bananas at home involves these key steps: getting a banana plant or sucker, planting it in nutrient-rich soil, watering it regularly but carefully, providing it with plenty of sunlight, feeding it with high-potassium fertilizer, and of course, exercising patience. With a bit of care and attention, you can enjoy homegrown bananas right from your garden or balcony. So why not give it a shot? Growing your own bananas can be a rewarding experience. Not only do you get to enjoy fresh organic bananas, but you also get to learn and appreciate the process of growing something from scratch. Plus, imagine the surprise and delight of your friends and family when you share with them bananas from your very own plant. Now, isn't that a delightful prospect? Thank you for joining us on this horticultural adventure. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with others and subscribe for more such enlightening content. Until next time, happy gardening!